Yes guys, in today's video the plan is to replace the fuel filter in this 2-litre TDI. It's pretty much the same across all the TDI engines from the Mark 5, Mark 6 Golf, Mark 2 Leon and the Audi A38P TDIs. So yeah, first we're gonna, I believe it's a T20 Torx bit, and then you pry a little flat in here after you got the Torx out, and then it just lifts up and then you just remove the filter. So let's do that. Yes guys, so once you got it out, put it side by side with the new one just to make sure it's the correct size, and yeah, it looks like it is. And this one's probably been in the car since late 2018 or 2019, but yeah, and this seal will be replacing later. Yeah, before you put the new filter in, just make sure there's no bits floating around, otherwise that won't be a good thing, would it? And there you go, that's a fuel filter changed.